In a world where the sun whispered secrets to the wind, energy was born anew. "We must change," said the sun, casting rays of hope. The wind agreed, swirling with purpose. Together they powered homes, lit cities, and warmed hearts. "Look," said a child, pointing to a spinning turbine, "it's like magic." The earth smiled, feeling lighter. As the oceans sang and forests danced, people realized the power of nature's gifts. "We can heal," they said, planting seeds of change. And so the world turned brighter and greener, fueled by the endless dance of sun and wind.